Hi everyone! Welcome back. I'm gonna plan my classic happy planner for the last week in June. Okay. And this time I did a random one. The design layout I guess I picked was to do the center vertical, which is another one of Squaird Plans design ideas, and this one is just to do a vertical layout of the middle of the page, like basically like that. Design those sections. That'll add the decoration. So we're gonna try that. First, I'm gonna put on my habit tracker. So speed that up. Okay, and I was just about to put this on, and I just had an idea. What if I cut this down the middle and make it so that that line can go all the way down? And I think that might be kind of interesting. So we might try that. And then we have to decide, do we want it like here with just a little space, or all the way over? I think we want it all the way over. And by we, I mean me. Okay, that's what we have so far. And I'm also gonna need to cover up those boxes for sure. I don't know. And then I wanted to use this pressed pearl sticker books. I just kind of went through and looked, and these stickers just kind of jumped out at me, so I want to use these as my decoration. But before I do, I want to decorate the boxes that I need first, because the planner needs to be functional over everything else. So I'm gonna do that, and then add in the flowers. But because I picked purple flowers, I went ahead and pulled back out the Glam Girl box. I figured we could use these headers and stuff, because that will probably be easier. And it has this dinner with friends. Probably not gonna eat dinner with friends. I'm just gonna cut off the dinner part. Now it's just dinner. So, do we want the meal plan to be here? The meal plan to be here. But it's got the purple line. I just feel like it'll look really good not over purple. So we're gonna make it like that. And we also have a to-do and a plan it out, which can be the activities and a to-do list. And then we just need workouts. So that's really cool. But like I said, I think it would look better without that purple line on the purple. So I feel like I need to add something. I definitely need to add something there because that's white. So I wish that wasn't so long. Like, it's just, why is it so long? There's a box with the ice cream cone in it. That would have been really good for the ice cream layout. I'm wondering if I put it there and then forgot about it. So that's very probable. They're all clear stickers, that's the problem. Okay. I just keep flipping through this. I'm not finding anything to make it better. I think I am going to use this really long one to cover up the white. Don't think it's straight. So I totally could have put the dinner. Now it's gonna have white from the whiteout though. So we will just use a little checklist because you don't need it to say Monday through Wednesday. Just need it to be a to-do list. Do we have another checklist? Because that one's not going to be long enough. So I need another one, but I prefer it to be purple. And also the same design. I did see that one right there, but I feel like that'll look weird with one skinny one and one like big bubble one. So is there another one? If not, it's fine. I'll just write it there without having a checklist there, which it looks like that's what we're gonna have to do. That would have been cute. It's okay. It's okay. It's done. We're just gonna leave it like that. I want that one in purple. Okay, this not there though. So I think that's all we'll need out of Glam Girl. We made it work. It's fine. And then I don't like that white out there either though. So I don't know what we're doing with it yet. I want flowers though, and use them to decorate the center of the page. And I think we'll just go down the center. No. Okay, I need a ruler. And we didn't cut through the page yet, so that's good. And then maybe put this one. Oh, dude. Actually, I think I want to do this. And then cut right down that. And then this one is shorter when we put it on Saturday. That is really hard to do because like the foil starts like folding, and when it wrinkles then it loses some of its color. So I need to not do that. But also I don't know how to not do that. That's gonna get a little bit on this side now because I want it to be like on one side and then on the other side. But I don't want it to mess up those checklists. I'm just trying to like make them a little bit different. Those were kind of similar. Just so it's not looking like the same thing. If that makes sense. This one's also hard to do, which it came off good, so that's good. But this sticker paper is like not, I don't know, it doesn't come off, the stickers do not come off of there very well. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's at the center. I'm debating on if I want the other side done, but I don't know. I think I'll leave it like that. I also don't think I have anything planned for this week because I'm filming it so far in advance, so there's nothing that I need to like add to any of these days. If I do, I'll probably go back into Glam Girl and get out some of those bullet points and add them in. I think we might just put this purple quote here that I just accidentally opened this page up to right. No, I think it's just a little bit too big. And I don't want to mess with that big flower. So we'll put that back. I think what I'll do is just add another like column, so maybe another like to do like thing. Can add like a me time. Let's do just some thoughts. then it covers up that whiteout. Do not like that because again it goes into the flower. I wonder if we cut this right there, rewrite out the spot, and then do just some I don't know if that's better, but I'm gonna leave it. That's what I have, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when I put out my videos. Yeah, that's all I got. Bye.